Hey guys, it's Christian with Nagai Adventures, and I'm going to walk you through a little repair I'm working on right now. I'm just going at it blind here, so if I mess up or something, then you'll get to see what I do. I'll probably edit it out, so don't worry about that. But what happened was my cable management for the wires, the electrical wires that go in my slide, the system somehow broke off, and I don't even know how that happened. But it happened a little while ago, and I just put it off like a fool, and what ended up happening was the electrical wires wrapped around my drain pipe from my tanks, and when the slide came out, it yanked the wires right out of the slide. So you can see here, my 12 volts still in there and working fine, but over here is my 120 volt, and that's the one that got torn out. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to open up the electrical box and see what it looks like in here. So it looks like we have a hole with some conduit going down, hopefully where we need it to the bottom of the slide. So I'll go outside and test, make sure there's no power going to the wire, turn off all the breakers I need to, and I'll find a coat hanger to shove down the hole. Tape on the wires and pull them straight through. It was pretty easy. The hardest thing was finding the wire. I had to walk around campground asking door to door. Actually, I was lucky, there's a couple guys outside that I was able to get them from pretty quickly. Last thing I'll do is re-terminate the whole socket, because instead of the push pins I want them wrapped around the screws and screwed on the side. Then I'll put everything back together, put it back on the wall, and make sure I got power. And everything looks good. It's pretty simple actually. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. Sometimes just knowing what's behind the wall there, it helps out 100%. You know, I was going at it blind, but once I got that open, I was pretty confident I'd be able to get it done relatively quickly. It only took me maybe a half an hour, 45 minutes. The only tools I really needed to have was a flathead screwdriver, some electrical tape, a coat hanger, and some wire strippers, and I could have gotten done with those 4 things. Well, until next time, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.